Hi, I'm Bonesh and I have completed my degree in mechanical engineering in the era of 2022. After finishing my degree, I have no idea to choose my career. So I have joined in a QSpiders Chromepet branch. So it helps me a lot to learn more about software testing, and I have learned very very good basic knowledge in testing, Java, Selenium, and also SQL. So thanks QSpiders for this wonderful opportunity and help me to place in the IT company. So I have placed in a Urix Private Limited as a software test engineer. So thanks for the opportunity to QSpiders. Thank you once again.